How to disable UI navigation in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox game. Simply make sure you search for UI navigation on your keyboard. To do that, press on escape on your keyboard and then click on help at the top. In here, you'll find UI selection toggle. As you can see, it's slash. So go back from here and then press on slash. And at the bottom, as you can see, it's enabled. Again, click on it and it will disable. And this is how to disable UI navigation in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.